Hello and welcome back to another episode on Quick Guide. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change language on Amazon. Watch this video until the very end to know exactly how to do it. Now, to change the language on Amazon, firstly open up the Amazon application and make sure to get logged into your account. Now from the home screen, tap on three lines at the bottom right. Now choose the settings option from the menu. And once you tap on it, there you will be able to see country and language option. Tap on that option and there you can see language option. Tap on it. Now choose the language that you want to change to. Once you pick the language, scroll this page to the bottom and there tap on yellow button. Once you tap on it, your page will be refreshed and your language will be changed. Now here you can see language has been changed. And just like that, you can change language on Amazon. If you like and found this video helpful, then give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. That's gonna be all for today and I will see you in my next video.